Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. In this chance, I will tell you how to make Indonesian fried rice. Nasi goreng is the popular Indonesian fried rice, which is traditionally served with a fried egg. I love the unique dark brown caramelized color of the rice. It is a simple recipe. You will not need to hunt down any usual ingredients, and it is one of my favorite Indonesian food. A traditional Indonesian fried rice recipe which is often served with a fried eggs for a protein boost to make it a meal, but I usually serve it as a side dish. The magic ingredients in this is kecap manis, a sweet soy sauce which is available in large supermarkets and of course in Asian stores. Feel free to swap out the chicken for another proteins, shrimp, prawns, tofu, beef and pork are all great alternatives. There are several ingredients to make Indonesian fried rice. They are chicken and rice. Chicken, it consists of oil, chicken breast thinly sliced, kecap manis sweet or sweet soy sauce. Rice is consists of oil, garlic cloves, red chili, onion, cooked white rice, kecap manis or sweet soy sauce, shrimp paste optional. In that picture, you can see several ingredients that you need to make Indonesian fried rice. For the garnishes or side servings, you can use egg, green onion, tomatoes and cucumbers cut into wedges or chunks, fried salad store-bought, and lime wedges. Instruction: first, heat oil in a large skillet or wok over high heat. Then, add chili and garlic. Stir for 10 seconds. Add onion. Cook for 1 minute. Next, add chicken. Cook until it mostly turns white. Then add 1 teaspoon kecap manis and cook for a further 1 minute or until chicken is mostly cooked through and a bit caramelized. The next, add rice. 2 teaspoon kecap manis and shrimp paste if using. Cook, stirring constantly for 2 minutes until sauce reduces down and rice grains start to caramelize. For dessert, garnish with garnishes of choice like green onion, red chili, fried salads. For the serving, serve as a side for Asian main dishes, for as a part of a large plate. Make it a meal, traditional Indonesian style, serve with a fried egg sunny side up, tomato wedges, and slices of cucumber on the side. I think that's all. Keep trying. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.